Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with power on. Make sure the radio is active so menus respond. Once powered, tap Home to reveal the main options, then choose Setup or Settings. You need to open the clock or clock/time entry. This is the only path to edit hours and minutes. Don't navigate away. Staying in the clock menu prevents accidental mode changes. If you see a padlock or limited menu, switch ignition to on and try again, then continue to the next step. You'll now change the values. Tap the hour field, then press the on-screen plus or minus or swipe where supported to set the correct hour. Next, select the minute field and adjust likewise. Make sure to set AM or PM if you're in 12-hour mode. Alternatively, pick 12/24 to switch formats. Most JVC units require you to confirm the format before saving, so double-check values. Once satisfied, prepare to commit the change. Don't exit without saving. Finish by tapping OK or Save. Some models require pressing the back arrow until you return to Home to lock settings. Verify the displayed time on the home screen. If it didn't stick, do a soft reset using the unit's reset button or paperclip pin, then repeat the steps. If the touchscreen is unresponsive, disconnect the vehicle battery for 1 to 2 minutes as a last resort, then reapply power. This clears temporary faults, but keeps your vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.